Introducing the RFC49plus, 1 full inch of vertical cover plate adjustment. We help you expect the unexpected.
So the difference on the old RFCs and new ones is the guessing game on these. Sometimes we get false information, or sometimes you get different types of products on drywall, the non-texture ones or the 5-layer texture. So we have to accommodate the adjustments for these heads. Another good thing about these RFCs is that I don't have to take the mud cap off anymore, and I just put the ratchet right in and I can tighten it without removing the mud cap. When I first started, that was one of my biggest issues. It makes my job a lot easier. I can walk around with my head wrench and just put them in as I go.
Great reliable flows, now with 1 inch vertical adjustment. And that is why we're reliable.